Hi, my name is Aaliyah Newell. Today I am just going through and showing how to screencast, and also I'm going to be showing how to do a Lucid chart basically, which is just a website that has a whole bunch of different templates and you can use them in however way you need to and make different types of lesson plans and things like that. There are mind maps, they have a tree diagram, they're brainstorming tools, maps of like a story, how to explain that, a short summary. These are all the K through 12 ones. They also have higher education and also meetings and workshops, project planning, whatever, customer research, and also stuff like that, and flowcharts. So today I made a 3-set Venn diagram, and the assignment that I would be basically presenting would be for a younger group, and it would be habitats. So, like, trying to learn where each animal and where animals are, like, where they habitat and where they live. So, for my Venn diagram, I just did. Oh, I see a typo. That's terrible. I'm so sorry. So literally it's just things that are mammals, so that would be a whole bunch of different things, and I would present this in a presentation form where I could like click through and just show the Venn diagram without the things in the middle so that the kids have a little bit of think aloud time so that they can talk to each other and think what they might think is, oh, what do they think is a mammal that also jumps, and what, so that they can get their own ideas flowing before we decide to come together as a class. So I just have things that are mammals, which would be things like that, and then I have things that jump, things that swim, and in between all of these I have otters, penguins, rabbits, and frogs. And then the other another part of the assignment that I would use is just this matching kind of assignment, and show where, so that the kids can notice, which is would be the notice portion of the focused instruction, just so that they can actually see physically and draw a line to where they think each one goes. And yeah, that's about it. So I just made this little diagram and that's it. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.